Hey, what's up there, guys? Matt here with TRW. So in this Ask Matt, we had a question as far as, Matt, how do I be different? And there's so many different ways that you can be different, but I just want to show you an example in our Shirts and Stones location here of one easy way to be different, because the person that had the question today was, how do I be different as far as when it comes to screen printers? And they can knock out 200, 400, 500 shirts, or I can with screen print transfers. But how do I make some of these different types of shirts unique so they're different, something I might not be able to do with screen print transfers or a screen printer can't do, and I can charge that premium price for them as well. So let me show you. So here's just an example of what I'm talking about. So on this shirt right here, we have the Caesar Easy Reflective. So it's got a reflective heat transfer vinyl. This one, a huge black glitter, black on black. The design is angled. So again, looks different with the tone on tone, looks pretty sweet. This one, just a left chest, basic easy weed. This one, mixed it up again a little bit. The black silver glitter down the back of the shirt there, looks pretty sweet. Just went with a straight camo on these tank tops here. This one, silver lens, you can see the difference in that material there. This one over here, just a basic gray easy weed. Another one in here has some brick heat transfer vinyl. Another one has rhinestones. So you can see those are unique. We're offering a lot of different types of products to all the different moms. One mom might love the camo side of it. Another one might love the tank top with the easy reflective, or just the basic easy weed, or the black silver glitter. So everybody doesn't necessarily want to look the exact same, especially like something like this with a gymnastics organization, to get to all the moms, all the dads, and everybody. So there's tons of different ways to be different, to be unique. This is just an example of one of them, but now you can charge those premium pricing because you might be making 5 of those tank tops, 5 of these, 10 of these, 4 of these, 6 of these, and you can easily do that with a vinyl cutter, where obviously it's a lot more difficult with screen printing or screen print transfers because you have those setup fees and everything else. So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully it gives you a couple different ideas of what you can do just to be a little bit different, to get into those organizations, the churches, the gymnastics, the cheer, all those types of things. It really helped us out when we got started, really made a difference, made us different than a lot of the other companies around it. Hopefully it helps you. So let's find out who our winner for the mini pack for this week is. So every once in a while the mini pack winner may just be random. This week it's random because John Parker, you're the man, always hooking up for the likes on the YouTube channel, always supporting, and the first comment on the last video. So John Parker, you are the winner for a mini pack of choice. Shoot us an email, info@rhinestoneworld.com. Let us know you were the mini pack winner. They will check it's yours. Let them know. They'll drop it in your account. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, make sure to comment below to enter the next mini pack giveaway for the next video that we post. Leave a cool comment. Leave something nice. Leave something that will help somebody else. That'll increase your chances of winning. So make sure to click that like button. Click the subscribe. Click that little bell next to it. And I will see you next time. Alright, crew? Later.